on, Dad. Give him a taste of his own medicine. Claw him hard.
They're pinching me.
We claw hard. We're mean. Is that dice?
Yes, that's dice. Oh.
If you're real
Stop
fast,
it, that tickles. You guys are gonna be some violent teenagers. Holy crap. It's too hot for this. Get off me.
No! We're gonna bring you hot.
Be careful, Des.
We want you to ride us like a pony. We want you to
Destiny, don't do that.
We want to ride you like a pony.
You can get down now.
We want to ride you.
And then you can go right there. No, I didn't. No.
Sarah, don't climb on it like that.
I can't. I'm on him. To make sure he stays, walk him on the head if he goes. That's what I do.
Destiny, don't get on top of her.
Daddy, go, but. Should it be my turn? I'm trying. Do this.
Destiny, get down.
You can't take off your socks and shoes or stuff.
This is so cool.
Yeah, no. Walk on my head. Like I said, I did it.
No.
You let go.
I gotta be. I didn't do anything to you guys.
You sit down. We're beating you up. We're beating you up because we want to beat you up. Help. He's trying to make me hurt. Sit back down. We're still beating you up.
I don't want it. I don't want this anymore. Watch it. I have a flag.
Don't hurt her.
I'm taking away your things.
No, leave his things right here.
I don't. You can't go anywhere. Wait. You're a girl child. You're a girl child. You're a girl.
It's
Just
hot.
put down the flag.
No, it's too hot.
Give it.
Stop.
You're not allowed to get your things.
Oh, hey, don't put that there.
I need to dunk my head in some water.
No, don't dunk your head in water.
Myself. Can I cool myself down by doing this?
No. No.
I want to cool myself down.
Then go put some water in your head.
Hang up the bucket. Sarah! Sarah, come on.
Sarah, go help her.
I'm hoping up in a little bit.